Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to use the built-in ruler on the Samsung Galaxy A36 or the A56. Now to do that, first of all, just open settings, then go to display. From here, just enable edge panel, then tap on edge panels. From here, just tap on panels. Now just select tools. And once you select tools, just go to your home screen. Now from here, you will find a bar at the side of the screen. Just swipe from the side of the screen and open the edge panel. Now just swipe one more time and open the tools section. Now in the tools section, just tap on the three dots and select ruler. And from here, as you can see, this is how you can find the ruler on your smartphone. Now if you tap on centimeter, you can change the ruler from centimeter to inches, just like that. And if you tap on calibrate, you can calibrate the ruler, just like that. Now once you calibrate the ruler, just tap on done. And this is how you can use the built-in ruler on the Samsung Galaxy A36 or the A56. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.